Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can add email in laptop Windows 11. It would be Gmail, Outlook or Yahoo, whatever. So there's a couple of ways we have, so I'm going to use the simplest one. So when you click onto the account, then you can see you have this manage option. So if you want to add another account in here, then you can also do it. So you just need to come over that place into the Outlook app, and then you will get the options to advanced setup, or you can close this one like restart from the scratch. Just click this one, and once you click over here, then they will give you the options to here. So here you can choose another account. I'll select this one, and here you will actually get this add another account. Just click this one, and you just need to be properly provide your all the things. So you can create an outlook.com email account also, or you can go with the advanced one like this one, and they will give us the option for the advanced one. So I will click on I forget my pin, go into setting account, sign in option, okay, cancel, and here use Windows Hello, okay. Similarly I will go do this one. I set up my account later. So here you just need to click on advanced, and you can provide your Gmail options also here. So this way you can add your email in your laptop Windows 11. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel, and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.